Unusual Pumpkins, hosted by Happiness Created and Crafting in Mimi's World. Links to their channels and the playlist will be in the description box. So this challenge is creating at least 3 pumpkin DIYs that are unusual. Okay, challenge accepted. My first pumpkin will be a rock pumpkin. This is a rock from my yard. I'm not gonna paint it. I like the tone of it, very organic. I like the shape of it. So I have a little piece of branch also from my yard. I'm just gonna add just a little bit of Gorilla Glue. A little berry garland. I wrapped the bead garland around the makeup applicator so I could get a nice spiral on it, and then I wanted to attach it to, well, around my little stem. This rock pumpkin is very simple, but I like it. And here's a few examples of some beautiful crafting and hauls that Tammy from Happiness Created does on her channel. Please go check her channel out. And Jackie from Mimi's World does gorgeous farmhouse, cottage core, and she also has a channel that she does walkthroughs and hauls. Please check out her channel. For my second pumpkin, I'm using this Hex Inspire wood plaque. I'm gonna paint this with some white apple barrel paint. Have to get these stickers off first. I'd rather just put a coat on the back rather than trying to put multiple coats to cover up this dark writing on the front. Okay, I had to wet this with a towel and then just use my scraper to get it off. So I'll just cover this with one good coat of apple barrel matte white. I love the coverage of the apple barrel paint and that it's matte so it dries quickly. Okay, my white paint is dry. So I'm covering this with diamond adhesive wrap. That's why I only needed one coat, because this is just gonna go right over top. And yeah, that should do it. All right. Let's trace that out and get it cut. This pearl wrap was a struggle to cut. Those little plastic pearls are tough. so maybe I can just do like that. Yeah. Didn't seem like they wanted to cut. Okay, I think for my stem, I'm gonna cover that maybe in a little bit of blingy diamond wrap. I'm using a piece of giant craft stick as my stem, and then I'm gonna paint it with Cameo Pink from Apple Barrel. The Cameo Pink dry, I'll take a few of these stickers. I added a generous amount of hot glue in the middle and then stuck my pink stem inside. And then around the stem, I added more hot glue and added little pearls all around the stem. Bit of scrap lace, do a small bow. Little clay rose that I didn't use from another project. I'm going to paint this the same pink, and I think I'm going to attach it here. And with my little pink rose dry, I attached it with hot glue for just another little touch of pink with all the white pearls and lace on this pumpkin. It's giving a modern shabby chic with this hexagon shape. Definitely unusual, but I like it. For this pumpkin, I'm using a square mirror with glittered polka dots, and I have it flipped over to prevent the glare. So what I'm gonna do is, I had a tumbling tower block in my stash from another project. I'm gonna apply this glitterific from Plaid over the top, and this will be the stem, and then I'll attach it to my mirror. Okay, my glitterific is all dry. So I'm just gonna apply this to the back of my mirror. And then apply some tower blocks at the bottom so it stands up. I love the beautiful glittery polka dots of this mirror, and it's definitely something that I would have never thought of as a pumpkin before this challenge. Tell me, what do you think of these unusual pumpkins I've made for you guys today? And here's the unusual bunch all together. I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and please consider subscribing to my channel and enjoy the playlist. There'll be lots of unusual pumpkins.